Hey guys, Chase here, MarineMax Clearwater, Florida. Today on a brand new 2020 230 SPX Sea Ray. Now this is the top end of the SPX line. I want to take you through the boat, show you a few things that separates this from the 190 and the 210. Sea Ray really had your family and friends in mind when they designed this boat. The way it's laid out, the capacity, the storage, the fine finishes. Can't wait to show it to you. Let's check it out. So starting in the bow of this SPX 230, you'll see two big spacious sun loungers, Fusion audio speakers on each side. This one does have the upholstery upgraded on the sides. You'll see cup holders and storage below each seat. And as we turn around and start walking through, you'll see dual captain's chairs. This one does have the black bimini top. These chairs do have flip-up bolsters. They do swivel. You'll see seating all around. You see the cooler under there. Each seating does have more storage as well. Cup holders, like I said, all throughout and out of the way so you don't kick a drink over. More speakers. As we look at the helm here, you'll see this one does have the Simrad display. Here is your Fusion audio controller. Over here to the left, a head and some storage space. Each seat has storage underneath. This one does have upgraded sea deck on the back here, as long as more storage, along with more storage. And then you'll see, cool thing about the 230, easy click, boom, open up. Huge storage under the sun pad here on the back. You'll see there's the tables that are quick and easy to set up. Like I said, huge sun lounger. There's your ski rail, so you can pull someone behind you. And a powerful Mercury 200 engine on the back. This boat really does do it all, guys. If you're looking for something to hang out with on the family, go up to the sandbar, just have a great day, this is the boat for it. If you have more questions or want to come take a look, let's get it out on the water. Come see me at MarineMax Clearwater, Florida. Look forward to talking to you.